Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be telling you how to edit a course page in Teachable, design and layout fixes. The link to the Teachable will be in the description below. Let's dive into the video without wasting any further time. So first you need to access your course page. Log into your Teachable admin dashboard like I've done. So head over to the left hand menu, click on the courses just over here, and then scroll down and click on the pages. So here are the pages. You can add a new course and all that stuff, and then what you have to do is to rearrange your layout block. For example, if I go ahead and select between this page, I can go ahead and then rearrange your layout block. For example, which one comes first, which one comes after, and how it's gonna be. If you change the circulum, you can change the rearrange your layout blocks. Then tweak the block design and settings. You can go to the block design, change the settings, and then preview across devices and publish them. So you can go back and make sure you preview it. For example, if it looks good for each and every devices, here you guys can see that the course that I've created, you can select between different sort of dimensions. Just press F12, you'll see this console. Over here you will be able to see between different devices. For example, to toggle devices toolbar, it will look this in a mobile section and all that stuff. So you can check that out, and yeah, that'll be pretty much it. If you like the video, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.